Hi everyone, so today we're going to learn how to interact with the map. To do this, we're going to make icons interactive, and we're also going to highlight units when they're tapped. So let's get started. Following on from our previous tutorials, we're going to enable layer interactivity for another layer. In this instance, we're going to make the amenity icons layer interactive. We'll pass in a callback with the parameter of icon. We can also have a second parameter of mouse event, but in this instance, we don't need it. We'll just comment what we're about to do, so find the waypoint. And to do this, we go const wp for waypoint equals icon.meta.waypoint, and that will return the waypoint object. Then we can simply use the function that we set up in a previous tutorial, where we will wayfind from the user location to this icon. And so we just need to call the navigate to waypoint function and pass in the waypoint. If we switch over to the browser, we'll see whether that worked. Refresh, tap on an amenity, and you'll see that it's wayfinding to that amenity, zooming into the path, and we can do that with any of the amenities on the page now. If we switch back to our IDE, we can then also highlight a unit when it's being tapped. We'll do this in two steps. So first we'll remove any highlight that has been previously applied to the unit, to any of the units rather. So we can do control.reset all unit styles, and this will return all of the units on the map back to their original styling. We'll then add the highlight to the tapped unit by setting up a highlight object. To do this, we do const highlight equals new jmap.style. Pass it in some options. We're just doing fill, but you can also do stroke, opacity, stroke width, and stroke opacity. And then we apply that highlight to the unit by doing control.styleShapes, which accepts an array, so we'll just put the square brackets around unit, and then pass in the highlight. We'll switch back to the browser to make sure that this is doing what we want it to do. Tap on a unit, and there we are. It's highlighting it using the gray. We can then tap on navigate here, and that wayfinding is still working. And that's just two ways that you can interact with the map. There are many more, so feel free to check out the documentation to find out more.